Hey there! Today I'm super excited to share one of my favorite quick desserts with you, a ridiculously easy no-bake chocolate cake that needs just 3 ingredients. Trust me, if I can make this, anyone can. Let's dive right in. We'll be using Oreo cookies as our star ingredient. Grab about 30 Oreos and start by separating the cookies from the cream filling. I know it feels wrong, but we'll use both parts. Pop those cookies into a Ziploc bag and crush them into super fine crumbs. It takes a bit of patience, or you can just pretend it's a stress-relieving exercise. Once they're finely crushed, transfer them to a bowl, add a teaspoon of baking powder, and mix well. Now, pour in 1 cup, about 250 milliliters of milk, plus all that Oreo cream filling we saved earlier, and stir everything together. Fair warning, this takes a little arm workout since the cream doesn't dissolve instantly. If you have a blender, feel free to throw everything in there until smooth. Next, grab a frying pan, lightly brush it with oil to prevent sticking, and line it with baking paper. Pour in our Oreo mixture. Here's the cool part. We're baking this on the stove top. Place a thick pot or metal plate on your stove to distribute the heat evenly, set our cake pan on top, and cover with a lid. Let it cook on low heat for about 40 minutes. While we wait, what's your favorite dessert? I'd love to hear about it. To check if it's done, just do the toothpick test. If it comes out clean, we're good to go. If there's still wet batter sticking to it, give it a few more minutes. Once it's done, take it off the heat and let it cool. Because we oiled the pan, it slides out effortlessly. See how simple this is? The chocolate glaze is just as easy. Pour 130 milliliters of hot heavy cream over 130 grams of dark chocolate. Let it sit for 3 minutes, then stir until smooth. For a fancy touch, take another piece of chocolate and use a spatula or knife to make chocolate shavings for decoration. Pour the cooled chocolate glaze over your cake and wow, just look at that gorgeous glossy finish. Add those chocolate shavings on top, or fruit if you prefer. Is your mouth watering yet? Mine definitely is. I can't wait to try a slice. Look how beautiful it is when cut open. Soft, rich, and not too sweet. You've got to try this. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you enjoyed this recipe. See you next time.